Okay, so now we look at this line 3 and linking to our style sheet. It's called style-sheet.css, but in here it's just called style.css. So let's make sure it matches up. Alright, so now we have our style sheet. And then when we look at our image, we have a class here, right? And I misspelled schools. I wrote in schools. But anyway, we have a class in here. And then in our style sheet, no class. So let's go back again and find content we can use. All right, look for classes. All right, CSS, we're getting there. Classes. Here's some practice. Check this one out. Check out our style sheet. Oh yeah, tacos. Remember we made tacos a while back? That was our style. Our class. So I'm just going to copy this, right? Because you know it works. It's here. Now I'll go back to my project. And now we'll add the class of tacos in my style sheet. And instead of calling it tacos, we'll call it schools. And there we go. Instead of green, let's go black. Better. Now hopefully, because in our okay, check this out. So we don't have the black box around the bulldog, right? And the reason for that, we don't have our style sheet connected in our header. So let's go back to our index. Here it is. I'm just going to copy it. I'll go to my Boise, connect it. And now I have my box. Fresno. Monterey. And it went green. And the reason it went green is probably because I haven't refreshed and saved. There we go, refresh and save. Refresh and save. There we go. Refresh and save. Refresh and save. Okay, so here's my website so far. I've got my home page, my Fresno page, Boise page, Monterey page. Let's add some more styling. But again, I don't want to type it all out. So let's look back to our old code. All right. Styling. Styling with CSS. And let's go ahead and go to practice. Because clearly we did some styling with CSS here. I don't see any pictures. Let's go ahead and go back. Practice? We were just there. Skill building? No. Challenges. No, I wanted to find stuff with pictures. Styling elements with CSS. That looks nicer. Alright, check out practice. Here we go. So let's check out our CSS here. And here is some code for picture. Actually, we'll do background too. So again, I'm just copying this text. This code. I'm going to go back to my page. Go to my CSS. And I'll just paste it in here. Control V. And instead of blue, let's go light blue. Alright. So our color is deep pink. We don't need this. And here's our images. I don't like them to the right, it looks weird. So instead of right, I'll move them to the left. And this radius is kind of big, so I'm going to take that down a lot. Wait. Margin is what it is. There we go. Okay. And they're the same width, but Monterey Bay is way shorter. So let's go ahead and make these all the same height. Height equals 100 px, and then semicolon. Alright, so now they're all the same size. Now let's check out our page. That's pretty cool. Alright, looks like our page is done. We've got some style, we've got some color, we've got a map, we've got information. It's a done deal.